Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu believes the Betway Premiership title race is far from a two-horse contest, insisting that rivals Kaizer Chiefs remain firmly in the picture despite their inconsistent start to the season. Since his arrival in the off-season, Wadu has transformed the Buccaneers into genuine title contenders. Pirates closed off the first round of the 2025-2026 campaign at the top of the standings, collecting 28 points from 12 matches after recording 9 victories, 1 draw and 2 defeats. They currently hold a narrow 2-point lead over defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns, who have amassed 26 points from 13 outings. The Brazilians, who have dominated South African football with 8 consecutive league titles, are facing their toughest challenge in years as Pirates continue to grow in confidence under their new coach. The Soto Giants are chasing their first league crown since 2012. Amakosi, meanwhile, have enjoyed a mixed run of form. Kaizer Chiefs sit fourth in the log with 24 points after 6 wins, 6 draws and a single defeat in 13 games, a record that has raised doubts about their ability to mount a serious title charge. Their struggles in recent seasons, including consecutive finishes outside the top 8, have further dimmed expectations. Yet Wado is not ready to dismiss Chiefs from the conversation. Speaking on MSW with Robert Marawa, the Pirates mentor said the mathematics still favor the Glamour Boys and the title race remains wide open, and said, "I'm watching two teams for the title race with Pirates, Sundowns and Chiefs. Mathematically, it's still possible for Chiefs to win the league. It's still open, and we must not forget them." As the second half of the season approaches, Pirates appear poised for a fierce battle with both their traditional rivals, and if Wadu's words are anything to go by, the Premiership may be gearing up for one of its most unpredictable finishes in years. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.